Okay, this is lesson 84, finding the slope of a line when given 2 points. And lesson 84 also covers if you're given the coordinates of 2 points, just like this here. If you're given the coordinates of 2 points, you can find the slope that way also. When writing the slope, they have the y over the x. It's like a fraction or a division, y over x. So the y is going to be on the top of the slope and the x is on the bottom. Just remember, with coordinates, the x is always first and then the y coordinate is always second. Okay? But with finding the slope, if the line is slanted, the slope is finding how much the line is slanted. Okay, so this line that has a slope is slanted. If it's straight up and down, it has no slope. The slope is 0. If it's straight across on the x, or if it's down here straight across, it has no slope if it's right on a line. But if it's slanted, crosses lines, then you know it has a slope. So here they give you 2 points, right here and right here, and you want to find the slope. Same thing with number 2 here. You're given 2 points, which is right here and right here. And what is the slope? How much does this slant? Well, the y is up and down and the x is going across. So to find the slope, you start at one of the points and you count how much it goes up or down. Or in this case, it goes up. So if I go 1, 2, 3, the y is going to be 3 up to be parallel with the other line here. So the y is going to be 3 counts up, and the x is going to be 1 count over to the right. Okay, so it's going to be a positive 1. So the slope is going to be 3 over 1. The y is 3 up, and then the x is 3 or 1 to the right. But also, like a fraction, it also, you'll see it just written as 3. Okay? But people always ask, well, what if I start at this dot and go down to this one? Well, if you do that, it's the same thing. The y you want to count first. You got to go 1, 2, 3 down, which will be a negative 3 since you're going down, over. And then x is going to be to the left 1, which is the negative direction, so you got negative 1. So a negative and a negative in division is going to become a positive 3, which is the same as 3 over 1, which is 3. Okay, so these are all the same slope. Okay, if they give you this, if they tell you the slope is 3, that means 3 over, you just assume that 1's underneath. So if I start from this point, the slope would be 1, 2, 3 up, and then it says 1 for the x to the right. And you see I'm right back on that line. So I go 1, 2, 3 up, and 1 over. If I go 1, 2, 3 up on the y and 1 to the right, the same, all those points are on the line. Okay, if I go 1, 2, 3 down, the negative 3 and negative 1, I'm still on that line. Okay, so this one, the slope would be 3 over 1 or 3.